Welcome, let's talk about Terra Classic. Now, they plan to destroy about 2 trillion coins of LUNC before the end of 2023. Now, I don't think destroying 2 trillion for the end of the 2023. We're talking about 6 months. Remember, they are coming up with different projects to help burn out the supplies of Terra Classic. Many people believe this is impossible. A lot of people believe that it will be difficult to achieve. Burning 2 trillion. Because even since Terra Classic started burning, they have not even burned up to 65 billion coins. But we are talking about 6 trillion between now down to the end of 2023. So how is it possible? Yes, I believe that there are different projects that can really help reduce the supply of this coin. Now, Terra Classic have about 5.8 supply. By the time you remove the staking of Terra Classic, normally it's about over 6.7 trillion coins. Now, by the time you calculate the circulating supply, and I think that LUNC, except they have to burn out the remaining supply, I think they have about 900 billion coins to about 1.2 trillion coins has remaining supply. So I believe if they can achieve this, they need the shortest form they can achieve this goal of burning 2 trillion this year is by burning and destroying the remaining supply of Terra Classic. That is, they can burn between 900 to 1.2 trillion coins of Terra Classic LUNC. This will help them to achieve this goal more faster. Now, I believe we still have about 800 billion. Let's assume they decide to burn about 1 trillion coins. Okay, now the remaining 1 trillion, definitely it can only happen if we have the top holders coming in to support the burning. Now, the 1.2% tax burn is not going to burn out this number of coins before the end of this year. So they need huge mega burning, which I believe, except the top holders decide to burn some section of their holding, or if they decide to burn some of their, let's assume someone that have about let's say 100 billion coins decide to burn 10 billion coins, and whereas another person have 500 billion coins decides to burn 50 or just a 50 billion coins. In this way, they can achieve burning up to 1 trillion or over 1 trillion coins based on the top holders coming out to show support by burning some of their coins. So this will also attract a lot of investors. It will also attract a lot of people to trade Terra Classic. So 2 trillion before the end of this year, 2 trillion LUNC burn before the end of this year is not going to be easy, because they need to burn huge coins, which I don't think is possible. But let's watch and see the project they have. If they actually want to go what I said, maybe they are planning on burning the remaining supply, and then the top holders maybe so because I know so the founders are part of it, and if they can burn these things too, it also helps Terra Classic LUNC coin. Once again, thank you for stopping by.